Hi, this is Scott from Invictus Active, taking a look at the Breezy 600 wheelchair and whether it's compatible with the FreeWheel attachment. The answer is yes, with a folding adapter. So the folding adapter would fit onto the horizontal parallel frame either side of the chair. And the way that would work is it clamps on to either side, and then the FreeWheel itself can attach to the front and onto the folding adapter. So the option is available and the FreeWheel will work with a Breezy 600. You'll just need the folding adapter to go with it. The folding adapter is easy to remove, so it still allows you to fold the wheelchair. It just provides a clamp for the FreeWheel to clamp onto. It's available from invictusactive.com, and within the UK we do offer a free trial. Thank you.